So here we have a trigonometric expression that we're supposed to simplify. The cos of 75 degrees plus the cos of 15 degrees. Now, in order for us to simplify this expression, we are going to apply the sum to product identity. So let's say, for instance, we have got a cos of A added to cos of B. This is equal to 2 multiplied by the cos of open bracket A plus B divided by 2 multiplied by cos open bracket A minus B, also this divided by 2. So from our expression, our A is 75 degrees and our B is 15 degrees. So instead of rewriting this expression, we are going to write it as 2 multiplied by cos of A, and the A we have established that it is 75 degrees, so this is going to be 75 degrees plus B, which is 15 degrees, all divided by 2 multiplied by cos of A, which is 75 degrees, minus B, which is 15 degrees, all divided by 2. Let me put equal sign to make more sense out of this. So the next step will just be to simplify whatever we have inside the brackets here and inside the brackets here. So 75 plus 15 is going to give us 90, and then 90 divided by 2 is going to be 45 degrees. And then 75 degrees minus 15 degrees is going to give us 60. And 60 degrees divided by 2 is going to give us 30 degrees. So instead of writing whatever we have within the brackets, we are going to write 45 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. So this is going to give us 2 multiplied by cos of 45 degrees multiplied by a cos of 30 degrees. As you can see, we've got our 45 degrees and 30 degrees, and these are angles that we can find in a special right-angled triangles. So let us just draw the special right-angled triangles that we have, starting with 45 degrees. So if this is 90, this is going to be 45, and this is also going to be 45 degrees. And then here we've got the square root of 2, square root of 2, and then here is 2. And then we draw the special angle for 30 and 60 degrees. So if this is 90, and then here we have got 30 degrees, here we are going to have 60 degrees, and we have got 1, 2, and the square root of 3. And another thing that you're going to apply in this expression is SOHCAHTOA. So here we are looking for the cos, so which means you are going to use the car part of the SOHCAHTOA of 45 degrees. So 45 degrees, you can use either this 45 or this 45. You are still going to get the same results. So we are going to use the one in the base, this one. So the cos is adjacent. So adjacent of 45 degrees is going to be the square root of 2. So we're going to write this is going to be equal to 2 multiplied by the square root of 2. And then hypotenuse is 2 on this side. And then this is going to be multiplied by cos. So we are still going to stick with the car part of the SOHCAHTOA, wherein we say cos cos is equal to adjacent, so this time we're looking for the cos of 30. So 30 is in the special right angle triangle number 2. So 30 is adjacent. Adjacent we know is this, so this is going to be the square root of 3 divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is this one, the longest part, so it is going to be 2. And then we know that this is 2 over 1, so that it sort of matches the fractions that we have in this expression. And therefore we're going to say 2 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 3, so it is just going to be 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 3. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4. And to simplify this further, so here we are going to have a common factor. Let me just write 2 multiplied by 2, so that this 2 will cancel this 2, and then in the denominator we are left with 2, and then the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 3 is the same as single square root 2 multiplied by 3, so this is going to give us the square root of 6. And then divide by, we are only left with 2 underneath, or as a denominator, so our answer is going to be the square root of 6 divided by 2. Thanks for watching.